Thank you very much, LB. And thank you for being with us for the past 30 years. And that is as old as the age of our marriage. Mayong gabi sa tanan. To Brother Manuel De Leon. Where are you, please? Oh, brother. The President of Notre Dame de Jangas University. Our beloved teachers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor and speaker who will be properly introduced later, friends of Batch 1976, and the spouses and relatives who are here, and of course, the one and only original limited edition Notre Dame de Jangas Boys and Girls Batch of 1976. Ang tawag sa atin ngayon, Legends. Mga alamat ng Notre Dame. Ang iba sa atin, dating news and escorts. Ngayon, news pa rin, pero museum. Welcome to our 50th Golden Alumni Homecoming, kung saan ang dating crush mo, pwede mo na ngayong tawaging lolo or lola. 50 years, it is not just a reunion, it is a historical event. In fact, meron tayo mga kabatchmates na mas marami pa ang maintenance ngayon kesa sa maintenance ng building ng MDDU. But look at ourselves. Still standing, still smiling, and still arguing about who was the crush at the campus. At ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa ating lahat, tumanda tayo, pero mas naging mas maganda at mas gwapo tayo ngayon. Batch 76, tayo ang patunay na hindi hadlang ang edad para maging masaya. Hindi kumukupas ang pagiging magkakaibigan. Back in 1976, our idea of cutting-edge technology was a radio with good reception para mapakinggan si Antonio Solitario at Diego Salvador. Our Google was the library. We graduated before Google was born and passed our exams. Ang Google natin noon ay hiramin ang assignment ng ating mga classmates. Our Facebook was the bulletin board. Our DM was a folded note that said, "Do you like me? Check yes or no." We wrote pen pal letters and love letters. Ang ka-pen pal ko noon, wala siya ngayon dito. We were the trendsetters of our times. We wear bell-bottoms, big hair, and we are the original scene zone. When someone actually saw you in the corridor and ignored you. Sa Facebook, uso-uso yan ngayon. And let us not forget, we survived disco. We witnessed the birth of the cassette tape and paano siya nawala, like the extinction of the dinosaur. We survived handwritten formal themes, typewritten reports, and strict prefects of attendance, and the terrifying words, surprise quiz. At meron din mag-love team na natuloy, pero mas marami ang hindi nagkatuluyan. Tonight, we gather not just to remember the good old days, but to prove that we still can recognize each other without name tags, or at least with reading glasses. Kaya relax lang. Tanggalin ang pustiso kung kinakailangan. Lakasan ang hearing aid at ihanda ang mga tuhod para sa konting sayawan. Meron pong hinanda si Titang para sa ating community dancing mamaya. But 76, we are golden. Not just because 50 years have passed, but because we have aged like fine wine. Or at least like well-preserved school records, like a yearbook. Ako, naitago ko pa ang ibang mga cards ko. At marami akong natanggap na remarks na very talkative. Pero meron din namang remarks na well-behaved. I am also proud to say that I have batchmates here since elementary. So 54 years na tayo. We build careers, families, and communities. Marami na sa atin ang may mga apo. We gained wisdom, experience, and a few maintenance medicines along the way. But the laughter, they are still very loud. Lalo-lalo na pag narinig natin ang tawa ng ating batch president, si Baki. Walang tatalo dyan. The friendship, still very strong. The spirit of Notre Dame, still very alive. So tonight, reconnect, reminisce, retake your class photos, and this time with better cameras and better hairstyles. And if anyone asks your age, just say, I'm not old, I'm alumni premium. Or say, I am classic, limited edition, 1976 original. Welcome home, batch of 1976. Gratitude in gold, 50 years of friendship and memories. Let the golden celebration begin. Mabuhay tayong lahat!